Welcome back to the videos. So today we are working on Christian's WRX. We're throwing on a Tomei. So right now we have the other exhaust off. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and get underneath the car and see what's up. All right, Christian, what do you got?
I got stickers. Look at all these stickers. Now it could be real Rice Boy, and I'll just put a bunch of Tomei stickers on there for no reason.
On the back?
Yeah. Oh, I'll put the Tomei placard on the back too. Look at that, buddy.
That'd look nice on a toolbox.
I don't know what to talk about. I'm not a mechanic. I don't have any tools.
Okay.
Let's actually use both of them this time because, you know, your boy didn't use it on your friend's last exhaust, and I kind of done goof. Last exhaust leak. Yeah.
That's okay. I'm sure they forgive me.
Here's your magnifying glass. Subaru gang. Nice.
Here we are, Christian. We're doing his Tomei titanium exhaust. As you can see right now, the old exhaust, it's off, and we're open dump right now. You want to go ahead and give it a... God, that is loud. That is really loud. But anyways, here's the exhaust. There's that titanium. And then this is what was on the car before. As you can see, definitely some bunk works that they have going on here. Really tiny. That was what was on the car before. You guys saw that in the last video. And here, he's got new mods. So here we go. This is what's already installed. That. Some nice cuts on that thing, man.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, it's fabricated very well. Now Christian's on to the last part. He is doing the muffler. Going on nice and well. Woo! She's hot, boy. Anyways, there's not a whole lot that goes into doing an exhaust like this. It's pretty straightforward. You just kind of bolt it on and line it up, make it look good. But my battery's about to die, so I have to catch you guys when it's charged. You're good.
All right.
At a car meet, and we're doing something kind of special today. What we were doing, we're installing an intake on Christian Subi. So you're gonna have to stay tuned. I told you, we're gonna make this happen tonight. So anyways, Christian, what are we doing?
Put on an intake.
Where at?
We're at a Burlington meet.
Here we are, McDonald's, all the cars. You know how we do it around here. Car guys for life.
Oh, where did your intake even go?
Right here. So here's the intake. We're gonna have to take all this stuff off and put that on.
Look at this.
All right, mate.
Right now you're watching 2-1.
It's the iPhone light.
You need a flashlight? Or no, screwdriver. Same thing.
You son of a...
So we don't lose the screws again.
Danny, right? You're blowing me out.
Yeah.
Really? That's sick.
Some people need
That is so sick.
Eric told you should be a hand model.
Thank you. I've been working on the.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I'm still questioning your guys', thought process on installing an intake in the parking lot.
Well, see, the thing is that we don't have much else to do.
How much power is this gonna add?
5.
Is this really worth it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's got all
Okay.
Absolutely.
Well then.
You got to do what you got to do.
But I need.
Is that the devil's lettuce?
I think that's where it's supposed to go. I lost it.
It's about to blow up.
Hey.
Sound familiar?
Hey.
Oh.
Hey, watch it.
Sound familiar?
That's messed up.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Can I say that out loud?
Can I say got him or?
No. No.
Okay.
Whose toolbox is this?
It's mine.
Oh.
It's just like a little service kit.
That's like been my.
Turns out I don't have everything.
I mean, let's be honest, the service kit, not an install and intake in the parking lot of Burlington.
Well, dude, sometimes you just gotta. We're just showing you how you can, if your car breaks and stuff, you can do it too.
They were to 5.47.
That goes to 10 mil.
Christian, you want to install the sticker?
No. I don't need that much horsepower, dude.
I don't have 10 horsepower.
See, I don't have enough motor for that much horsepower.
I'll think it right there. Yeah.
Christian, what about right there?
Yeah, I saw.
Perfect.
I am also not blind.
Do you want me to put it on then?
No.
Put it right next to that 6-speed one.
Yeah.
Christian, right there?
No.
Okay.
Dude, I want to be like every racer.
Put them all on the underside of the hood.
Yes.
Christian, right there?
You read
Right
my
there.
mind.
Put it right there.
Okay.
So you'll have 15 minutes of footage and only 2 usable minutes with how much people are cussing and insulting people.
Fair enough. Pull this off.
Recording.
All right.
Are you messing up my horsepower right now?
Alright, so not that great at installing. Oh, there we go. Unscrewing this one bolt that you've been working on for 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, when you don't have the right tools.
Christian, I have the right tools. You just don't have the strive.
I just don't understand.
I don't know about
Christ.
that, dude. I got that bolt out without your strive there,
I
buddy.
just don't get why this
Sticker man.
could have waited until tomorrow.
It definitely could not have.
This is just going downhill.
No, it's not.
It's going downhill.
You guys' attitude's going downhill.
It sure is.
All right, sticker's done.
Alright, well,
Injen.
the sticker's on. That's good. This is getting more and more ricer the more I stick around.
Well, it is. Well, that's because you own an EcoBoost. There's a 10.
I see
Alright.
that tank.
I didn't come here to get verbally assaulted.
Sorry.
I didn't come here to hold a camera either, but we're holding a camera.
Rip. We're. Yeah. Yeah. So that's just gonna fit in right there, just like that. And the
wow.
intake's gonna go right on in.
Let's see, where is that vibra mount that I already took off?
No, you use these.
Oh, see, you're wrong on that one.
I am not.
The 2 3/4 inch straight hose is pressed over the air inlet, so go get that coupler there, buddy, and do your thing.
Do your thing.
Injen's gonna put this on their website under
I
this
really hope
product.
so.
They're gonna be like,
Sponsor me, please.
This is how not
I need
to
it. You might want to bring that out a little bit. I kind of done goofed on that one.
Gabby, light.
Sorry.
Damn! We're losing him!
Oh,
so you're torquing it with your hands.
Yes.
Okay.
torque specs. We call it Jason spec around here.
Stonks.
Yep.
Stonks.
Hey, by the way, while you guys are watching this, you all know that GTI with the transmission I did? That was all done by hand to Jason's spec. It has not fallen out yet.
You torqued
Yeah.
the bolts by like with your hand.
Tighten it down
Like
till it
this.
pops.
Well, I mean, I use some tools.
Okay. I was gonna be a little bit concerned.
No. We do things semi right around here.
Okay. Cool.
Semi-spec.
Semi-spec.
That was quite impressive, actually.
That was pretty decent. Pretty decent.
You know what would be better?
You fucking mind.
Oh, there's another.
trying to make a YouTube video over here.
You racers go home.
Hey, so what if like,
I'm gonna have to edit that out.
what if we did this and we cut a hole in the hood? You know what I'm saying?
That's the coolest
Dude.
thing there is.
And then
That's the snorkel, bro. That's right there, dude.
what is going on over here? And why does that?
Bro, let me skirt my
Why does the Jetta sound like a V6 Mustang?
Because it's a 5-cylinder.
No, sorry.
Just like that. And then this is a 8. Let's go ahead and tighten this down. You're really good at holding a light.
Thanks.
I appreciate it.
I can't see
Your phone's gonna be
I've
dead
had a
here
lot of
soon.
practice.
My dad has told me that I was never good at holding lights.
That's
You always made
unfortunate.
me do it for you, so I'm used to it.
Where'd he go?
Excuse me.
Okay.
This is his car.
Well,
We all just walk away.
welcome to my YouTube channel where I do.
Work on everyone else's car but yours.
I've been called out. Whoa, howdy.
How you doing?
We're this. Yeah.
We're this. Yeah.
I know, he started walking over with his glasses. I was like, oh, that's Christian. What's going on?
Oh yeah, there we go.
It's so dark.
Okay.
This is good.
It was like 6 o'clock and I was like, I swear to God,
It was
feels
six
like
o'clock.
it's
Good.
dark at night. Like, what the hell?
There is a wing on there. I just saw a black blur go by and I thought it had a wing on. I had to put my glasses on.
Oh, wait.
We're about done, huh?
Yeah.
Everything's pretty much bolted up.
I just find it odd that he doesn't have concussion.
We're gonna want to make sure that we tighten down the map, of course, when we get the Allen keys. I didn't have anything to tighten down. It's on there pretty tight, but you know, it's on there. So here it is. You got the heat shield. It goes right down the wheel well into the wheel well.
Mine takes about to sound like that too.
Everything's looking good. Oh, VTEC. Hey, Christian, those are your pals, right? Those are your boys? Sound like pissed off bees. All right, first startup with the new mod, baby. Here it is. Double checking over everything while we're here. Yep, seems like we're good. So let's see, what do we got going on in here?
If you see here, Stage 2 Plus SF93 MT version 331, intended for otherwise stock 2010 WRX MT vehicle running a turbo back exhaust with a high flow cat converter and Cobb tuning SF intake system, 93 or 94 octane fuels. Boost targets are 18.5 psi peak boost pressure, tapering down to 13 psi by the 7,000 RPM line.
All right.
Plus or minus 1 pound of boost.
Cool. That is how you install an Injen intake on a WRX in a parking lot, if you ever had to. Pro charge thing. Some nice GTR. You gotta check out these wheels.
Fast forward another 7 months or something like that.
So this car's built black. He's still on break-in, so he doesn't have anything with nitros or boost, but and this car right here, this car is insane. Then we have really quick SRT4. This is Joe's. This thing scoots. So I was just editing this video and I realized that I never finished or closed this video. As you can see in the background, we're here at the desk. We're doing some updates and, you know, all that stuff for COD. Anyways, I hope this video was entertaining or helpful or, you know, whatever. If you guys liked it, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. It honestly, it does mean a lot to me. But that's where we're going to end off here tonight. So I'm going to have to catch you guys next time. See ya!